Hi viewers, welcome to Rakesh Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is responsive menu bar creation. What we discuss on today? How to create responsive menu bar using Bootstrap. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding also. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. Rakesh Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies provide the Rakesh Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can directly get notifications. Okay, guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today: how to create responsive menu bar using Bootstrap. This is the responsive menu bar. You can check it. Yeah, this is the responsive menu bar. You can check in any pixel, mobile or iPad, anywhere. Check it. Suppose iPad. This is the iPad. Landscape and portrait. Okay. Landscape. This is the landscape and portrait. This is the portrait. Okay. Next you can check another way. Another. This is it is automatically responsive. Okay guys, I will explain how to create this responsive menu bar using Bootstrap step by step. Please listen and watch carefully. Here I am creating only a basic HTML structure. We all of you know this. Here I am calling only Bootstrap CSS library, jQuery library, and JS library. This is the local CSS file. I am not to write anything. Just I am created. Here I am writing the nav class navbar container fluid div class navbar header here I am creating a button type button. Okay, button type button class navbar toggle data toggle equal to collapse data target okay scan class icon bar a href navbar blend solutions. Okay, after this this div I'm creating another div class collapse navbar collapse id equal to my nav. Okay, Here data target is my nav. ul ul class nav nav. Okay. Li a href home. About friends, services, products, carriers, contractors. Okay. Once we will check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Next, I am write the small CSS for this. Margin 0, padding 0, body, background image, URL from images folder. Okay. Background repeat, no repeat, background size, background size 100% 100% width 700 pixel. Okay. And next one navbar inverse, background color, border none, border radius 0 pixel. Okay. And so we'll check the output. So this is the output. Okay. Okay. Next, external and center, color, white, padding, 30 pixel. Also, we'll check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Rakesh Tech Solutions responsive Menubar creation using Bootstrap. So guys, once we will check. Yeah, it is working. This is the responsive Menubar. What is the active class? So guys, this is the process to write the responsive menu bar creation. I hope we all are understand how to create responsive menu bar using Bootstrap. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. Eh, Rakesh Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing tutorials provide the Rakesh Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.